Hello everyone. Hope you are all doing well. So in the last class we have discussed about the concept of profit and loss. We have discussed the formulas and based upon formulas we have solved the question from exercise 11A. So I discussed these 8 formulas in the previous class also and I have written down these formulas in this class also. So today we are going to discuss the questions from your exercise 11B. In this exercise, I am going to discuss 3 questions that you may find difficult to solve. So I am discussing these 3 questions. Rest other questions you can solve based, they are simple and the simple calculations is there in those questions. Okay. So the first question I am taking here is the question number 5. In question number 5, it has been given on selling a jug for rupees 144. So what things are given in the question are selling price of jug, that is rupees 144. In the next, it has been mentioned that a man loses 1/7 of his outlay. So loss क्या दिया हुआ है 1/7 of his outlay. Here outlay means is the cost price. Don't get confused. The word outlay is used to denote the cost price of the jug. फिर वो आपसे क्वेश्चन में आगे कह रहा है if jug sold for rupees 189, then profit percent, calculate the profit percent if the jug is sold for rupees 189. So this is the question. So in this question we will let the cost price x rupees. When we are considering cost price as x rupees, तो loss क्या हो जाएगा 1/7 into x. This means x/7 rupees will be the loss. Fine. Now we know that loss is cost price minus selling price. So from here if we have to calculate the value of selling price, then what we will do? The selling price value comes out to be cost price minus loss. Now we know the cost price as x and the loss as x minus 7 rupees. So this is your selling price. Okay. In the question we have been given the selling price as rupees 144. But according to our calculation the selling price is coming out to be this. So we'll put this equals to this. So what we'll do is 6/7, which is your selling price, and this is the value of selling price which is given to us in the question. From here we will calculate the value of x. Which will come out to be rupees 168. So this is your cost price. You have considered the cost price as x rupees. So this is your cost price. Okay. Now we have calculated the cost price. Further in the question it is given that if the jug is sold for rupees 189, we have calculated the cost price as rupees 168. And it has been given in the question that the SP is rupees 189 and we have to calculate the profit percent. So for calculating profit percent, we will first calculate the profit. Selling price minus cost price. 189 minus 168. Your profit comes out to be rupees 21. Now when you have got your profit, you can calculate the profit percent. Profit upon cost price into 100. Put the values. When you will solve this calculation, you will get your answer which come out to be 12.5%. This is your required answer for this question. Now I am going to discuss the question number 6. In question number 6, on selling a pen for rupees 48, given क्या है? SP of pen ₹48. A shopkeeper loses 20%. तो लॉस कितना है 20% का. तो हम क्या करेंगे, हमारे को एसपी दी हुई है, हमें लॉस दिया हुआ है, हम सीपी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. सीपी कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, 100/100 माइनस लॉस परसेंट इंटू सेलिंग प्राइस. नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज. When we will calculate this, we will get our cost price as ₹60. Further in the question, what they are saying is, in order to gain 20%, यानी कि in order to gain 20%, हम कितने प्राइस पर उसे बेचें कि हमें 20% का प्रॉफिट हो जाए. Now we have cost price, we have profit percent, we can easily calculate the selling price. How we will calculate this? Using this formula. Put the values. You will get your selling price, 72 rupees. This is your answer. Now I am discussing the last question for this exercise, that is question number 10. In question number 10, a vendor bought lemons at 6 for a rupee. Cost price of 6 lemons, ₹1. जब कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ 6 लेमन्स हमें पता चल गई है, तो therefore कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ 1 लेमन कितना हो जाएगा, 1/6 rupees. Similarly, selling price of 4 lemons equals to 1 rupees. ये क्वेश्चन में ही गिवन है. Therefore selling price of 1 lemon कितना हो जाएगा, 1/4 rupees. क्वेश्चन में आपसे गेन परसेंट कैलकुलेट करने के लिए कह रहा है. जब हमें पता चल गया है सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 1 लेमन 1/4 रुपीज है, कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ 1 लेमन 1/6 रुपीज है, तो हम प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस, 1/4 माइनस 1/6. This is your profit, 1/12 rupees. Now you can easily calculate the profit percent. Profit upon cost price into 100. 1/12 is your profit. Cost price is 1/6. Multiply by 100. क्या हो जाएगा, 6/12 into 100. 6 2s are 250. So what will your profit percent? It will be 50%, and this is your required answer for this particular question. So that's all from my side for this exercise. I have discussed these 3 questions. क्योंकि ये कुछ difficult level के थे, तो in order to make you understand these questions, I have taken these 3. Rest questions वैसे ही है जैसे हमने 11A exercise में discuss करे थे, simple है, तो you can calculate them on your own. Still, if you have any problem in these 2 exercises, you can ask me by providing me message in the comment section below the video. Thank you, class.